Hey guys, in this series of tutorial I will show you how to work with subtitle and audio in Unreal Engine 4. In the first section we will cover how to play a simple sound file with subtitle at the bottom of the screen all in Unreal Engine 4. But first, let's set up the project from scratch. Open the Unreal Engine and create a new project. Wait until Unreal Engine project browser appears. In the first page, select the games, although you can use this tutorial for other types of projects. Between these templates, select top-down because I guess it is easier for me to present this tutorial with top-down template. In the last page where you can choose the project type to be blueprint or C++, leave it to be blueprint. Set a location for your project and pick up a proper name for it. I named it Dialog Training. Click on the next. After a moment, the project will start. For the last section, play the game to become sure everything works well. In the next part, we will play a simple sound file with subtitle at the bottom of the screen. Let's go to the next.